Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a good Nifty expiry. It was a sideways and tough market, right? I think we were very clear in our view yesterday when we gave it that market will trade upside, right? Market will trade upside. A good thing is today VIX increased option buying. We got decent movement in the option buying. The couple of trades that we did, we got decent movement. I took a call put and then ultimately I again recommended to the group to go long, right, on the call side. So we made decent money today, and I think the group also made extremely good. As in between the market was choppy, so definitely there was one stop loss which got hit. So VIX standpoint, and I think VIX is now getting ready to shoot up, right? So I said Nifty do not short, but Bank Nifty again I said could fall. But again the components, right? I said if it moves beyond a certain level, we are looking at a long side of trade there. Right? We are looking at a long side of trade there. So let's get into the market and quickly look at what do we have in terms of the trades, right? So quickly on the Bank Nifty side, yeah. Bank Nifty is range bound right now. There is no major movement, right? But today the good thing is Bank Nifty is now slowly inching up, right? So above 45,098 on a daily chart, right? We are getting ready for touching, giving a rally of 300 to 400 points, right? So very clearly, Bank Nifty is getting ready. No shorting thoughts till it actually closes below 44,780 in a 15-minute time frame, right? Quickly let's look at 15-minute time frame. I will just open the component chart as well side by side so that we have a clear understanding of where the components are trying to take us, right? Okay, so tomorrow, um, Bank Nifty again, as I said, right, there is a potential volatility contraction which we are expecting in Bank Nifty, right? And that is what it is doing. It's contracting the volatility here for us to actually plan our trades, right? Now tomorrow there is a small trend line which is coming here, right? I would like market to open somewhere between 44,880 and 44,990, consolidate for some time, and then take out the levels, right, for us to plan the trades, right? Um, once we get once we get a flat opening, then I may want to take a trade on the long side, right, for the targets of 45 105, 45 250, right? This area could act as a resistance, so be slightly cautious, right? I think there tomorrow again we could see a very range bound move in the market, right? We could again see a very range bound move in the market. I think tomorrow it could blast. I think it will stay sideways, right? We have RBI policy on Thursday, and that is where we could see a decent chunk of movement coming. But otherwise, I feel it would be range bound. Shorting, no shorting thoughts till it actually closes below 44,822. Then the targets are 44,594 and 44,327, right? But I don't think tomorrow would be the day when you would see these big targets hitting your kitty, right? Quickly let's look at, so again the plan is simple: flat opening, breakout of 44,000, 45,060, 45,100 and 45,200, right? These are the targets that we may see in the market. Opening gap down, small gap down, you again hope for reversal, but below 44,790, the moment you see a closing, that is where you plan for your short trades, right? Again, short side the quantity should be very less. Do not overextend on the short side here. mm, while HDFC did not give a massive movement, but if you see, right, ICICI Bank, Axis, SBI, everyone gave a movement. SBI is looking bullish above 574 for the targets of 580. HDFC is now creating a narrow range above 1654. We could see 1663. Kotak is looking bullish. It's looking good for 1840. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank above 950. If I can touch 959, else it's neutral. Axis Bank is at an interesting stage. If it doesn't break 976, right, can go and touch 990 levels, right? So I may want to take a positive trade in ICICI Bank, right? But if I look at it, right, IndusInd is neutral, SBI, Axis, ICICI, and Kotak are looking good. HDFC could give a movement in our favor, right? So that is how the entire game plan is based. Now, with respect to options, right? Let me quickly take you guys to the options that I'm planning. I'm looking at Bank Nifty 44,000 CE. Sorry, 45,000 CE. And Bank Nifty 45,200 PE. So if you check these two charts, right? Okay, 40. Let me go to 44,800 CE here. Maybe more a comparison at par, right? So above, again, I don't want the CE to open below 223, right? Between 223 257, if it opens, breaks out, you could see targets of 295 and 323. But PE on the option chart rate is looking good. A flat opening between say 350 and 370, it could create a range and break out the levels to 405 and 469. Somehow the option chart, right, is not giving the confidence to go long, but else everything is pointing towards a movement on the long side, right? A movement on the long side. Nifty very quickly. Um, so if I see Nifty here, right? Nifty was weak today. Somehow it did not give the intended movement. But if you see, right, Nifty has started consolidating. Opening it actually went up, but now if I see, right, Nifty above 19,600 again is getting ready for 19,664. Do not expect any big movements in Nifty even for tomorrow. I think we could, but again, Nifty do not short, guys. It's no shorting thoughts till it actually closes below 19,527, right? Till it actually closes below 19,527, no thoughts to short this whole Nifty chart. Nifty from a, if you see, right, from a component standpoint, Bank Nifty, Nifty IT actually gave a good support. It was a very range bound and KG day. I think that is always the case once you have the RBI meeting, right? I think tomorrow could be another day where it could cause a lot of give a lot of trouble to the traders, right? So do not be in a haste to take positions and try to put your trades aggressively. I would prefer to wait and watch tomorrow, right? We have made decent profit, right? Fin Nifty, I think we have got the expiry, so I don't want to look at it. But Nifty 50, right? Interestingly, Reliance and Infi is what I wanted to see. Reliance gave some profit booking, it's still neutral. Infi also was flat, right? Infi will now, I think, after having given the movement, will consolidate between 1385 to 1395 and then make a movement. So, friends, that's it. I think more or less tomorrow expecting another day where we could have a range bound KG movement, right? And Thursday after the policy announcement, we could take a direction either ways. Um, be cautious, right? Tomorrow be cautious rather than going aggressive. I would prefer if we trade on the side of caution and make limited entries, save our capital for a better day to trade, right? So for everyone who again, please join and subscribe to our Telegram channel as well along with YouTube channel. We post a lot of quality content. We post call directions, right, which will help you in your trading journey. And for in case you like our analysis, please share our videos with your friends and family members. You can ask them to subscribe to our channel and take benefit of the daily analysis that we do. The other setup videos are also posted in the group. So friends, that's it. I hope tomorrow we stay cautious and do not lose much money and save the capital for Friday, which will be an interesting Thursday and Friday, which would be interesting days to take a trade. So that's it, friends, from my end. I hope everyone has a positive day tomorrow. Thank you, guys, and have a good night.